Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos dias. Welcome to today's vlog. So here you just see me getting ready. This was a really active vlog, so you're just gonna see me doing a bunch of different activities. Here you see me struggling to put my jeans on, but it is what it is. And yeah, I was just getting ready to go and meet my friend T. Oh, sorry about that noise in the back. Anyway, this was my fit. I then later put on a t-shirt and then I was out the door. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in a second when I pull up. I'm not even wearing lashes.
Yeah, I saw him.
Oh yeah, I posted it, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Guys, I'm here now, and it's so dark. Oh yeah, I'm making sense. It's okay. She cut my 5 minutes of camera time. But yeah, we're at the London Club. I'll explain it when we leave because it's too loud in here.
Oh, you know what? I'm copyright.
That's why I said I'll explain later. Okay. Look, me and my babe.
Oh my god! Oh,
We ordered t-shirts. Hello. What do you do? What's poppin'? It's now the new day. And I'm a bit hungover. I'm not feeling too great. I went out with T yesterday and it was fun, but I think I drank too much. So I'm actually on my way to Manchester real quick. My dad is sending some things back home in Zim. So it was not going to fit in the car basically. To cut a long story short, so I'm so out of breath. So I'm going with him I'm basically following him to Manchester. He's already gone with my mom. I'm going to follow in my car. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to get in the car and make my way to Manchester. And I'm actually going to see Bruce, who I was out with not too long ago. So that should be fun. So yeah, I'm going to see you when I get there and check in with you.
8:01 p.m.
Woo, so guess who's in Manny? With the favorite person of the decade. Of the decade? I don't know what that was about. We're literally in town and I didn't even have time to do my makeup. Which way? So yeah, Reese is showing me around Manchester. He's currently finding the location and be like that. And yeah, I'll probably snap a little bit more. Snap. I'll probably vlog a bit more. Well, I'll see you when we get there. God damn.
Oh my god, this is actually so. Let's go down there. Oh, yeah.
Are you ready, kids? Let's race. Dad's so irritated. I said, let's race. You got my wait. Where are you going? We've got one of the contestants driving off. This is not a part of the race. Where's she going? Bye. Oh, maybe she's doing the test drive. So I had to go stop off and do something with my parents, and I'm just too tired to drive. So Mum's gonna drive my car, and yeah. Dad's telling Mum instructions.
Yeah, but I'll try not to be. And once we get on the M1, it's M6, there's no other. You don't pick up. So if you don't see me, don't try to pick up with me. Yeah?
Put home.
Okay? No rushing, but use the M6, M1. Yeah, that's where I'm heading. But before I come out of town, I'll let you. But once I get on the M6, we might get separated.
Have you put home?
Yeah.
Which one?
It was, you know.
It was, what time do we get there? At 3. Gee.
That's good. It took me freaking 6 hours to get here.
Gee. The thing is very light.
What? No, give up. Clutch.
You're accelerating.
Oh, yeah. Whizzing. Oh, it's time to go. We hitting the roads.
Ew, Mom is driving my car.
Oh, gee.
What? I just prefer to drive my own car.
Oh, gosh. You're throwing shade already. Damn. Okay, so we like both.
Let me turn off the sensors. Copyright, I'm so sorry.
Damn, girl, God was angry at us.
I did not know it was gonna do that. I'm so sorry.
How you like my fit? I'm dressed by T. Dressed by T.
Oh, I
Just
like that.
like tea.
T-Styles.
T style.
We here, baby.
There we go. We're at Tan's. Well, we're outside Tan's house. It's her birthday, so we're about to get litty and have fun. But don't drink and drive, kids. So yeah, that's about it. We about to go inside and see what it's saying. And it's already gonna be lit anyway, so
And we
really
matching.
seeing. I know.
We kind of matching.
Doing a little
A
duo
little
over
bit.
here.
We're matching in pants, which you lot can't see, but
Yeah.
we're gonna show you some little outfit.
We'll do an outfit check in a sec.
That's it,
So,
outfit check. I was looking for that one.
Outfit. What'd you say? Outfit snip.
Snips.
Yeah, that can work too.
Snips.
That can work.
Snip snops.
That can work. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, we see you. Give us a little twirl. Okay. And I oop. Oh, yeah, we love it. Outfit check.
Oh my God. I'm taken now.
Guess what? And what? Violets are blue. Weekend. It is now Sunday, and I'm good. You know when your wig's not even on, but you just have to throw on your cap quick? That's exactly what's happening. Right now I'm just going to Bromley with Mum, just to do a quick shop, and then for the rest of the day I'm taking it easy. See, I can't even hold the phone. Can't even hold the camera. Nothing, I'm just vlogging.
Yeah, we're taking it easy. Yesterday was so much fun. You know, we had some good times. And that's about it. Anyways.
Yes.
Lace them properly.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, you're not responding to the actual fit of the shoe.
No, they're really comfortable. They're really comfortable. Really comfortable.
A few moments later.
Shanna and I are in the cafe right now. We've not been to this cafe in how many years?
Probably like 2.
Longer than that. We're just getting that good.
Yeah, you were still in uni when we went there.
I mean, I didn't finish uni.
No, you know what I mean.
But yeah, we're just gonna get some good food. I look a mess and I feel it. Oh my gosh, my God. And yeah, that's about it. Oh my gosh, my mic is still in the car. I need to get it. Anyways, peoples. You know what? I just have not had a steady hand. Let me just set you up. Anyways, amigos, buenos noches, because it's night time. As you can see from the attire and the little satin bullet. I don't know why I got that. I should have got silk. And residue of glue in my hair. And the rope. You can probably tell that this is the end of the vlog. It's been an active last couple of days. And I'm knackered. I am. I know the motto has been we outside, but we might have to be inside for the next few days. Or next few weeks, in fact, because, girl, I'm tired and it's expensive. But anyways, I'm going to love you guys and leave you. Good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to sleep. Adios.